Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Greenville local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a trustworthy and cheap Greenville moving company should be simple. With 3 Movers, it's very easy. We specialize in local and long-distance moves of all types. Whether you're moving a home, apartment, business, dorm room, or even equipment, we can help make it simple for you. Our long-distance moving options include the following: packing services. Let us save you a ton of time with packing and unpacking services. Moving supplies. Get all the best moving supplies and packing materials for your most fragile items from us. An on-time move. We never delay you on moving day because we show up at the agreed-upon time. Upfront pricing. You get an accurate moving quote before you hire us to ensure you know what you will pay. Licensed and insured. If you choose to move with us, your things will be well protected throughout the entire process. Relocating across the country or even just one state over is a big deal. We make it easier by helping you get there sooner and easier. Our team of movers knows how to make a long-distance move less stressful. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Greenville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.